Rashad Hawkins. A fugitive from Tennessee found out that he couldn't escape the long arm of the law. Rashad Hawkins from Tennessee was arrested by the Harrodsburg Police Department after being caught trespassing. The sheriff's office in Tennessee has been looking for Hawkins as he jumped from the second floor of a county courtroom to escape prison time for failing to pay child support. Before Rashad could be taken into custody, he fled the courtroom, jumped over a second-story railing, and fled on foot. Hawkins managed to elude the law for some time when he was stopped by Patrolman Blake Darland of the Harrodsburg Police Department as he approached a residence on Rogers Court in Harrodsburg. Darland investigated the reports of a male suspect trespassing through the residential backyards. The homeowner told Darland she did not know Rashad while they were standing on the porch. Then, Darland requested Hawkins' ID and discovered he was wanted in Tennessee. Darland caught up with the fugitive and with a brief struggle occurred on the ground. When both men regained their feet, Rashad Hawkins grabbed Darland by his vest, attempted throwing him to the ground, and he fled on foot again. He then fled before Darland could take him into custody. Darland was able to catch Rashad quickly and place him under arrest. The police found multiple bags of drug residue and other drug paraphernalia while searching Hawkins. In addition to the warrant from Tennessee, he has been charged with third-degree criminal trespassing, first-degree evading police on foot, menacing, third-degree assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, as well as possession of drug paraphernalia. Hawkins is being held without bond at Boyle County Detention Center. Jason Cordero. Jason Cordero was given 90 days in jail for disorderly conduct and retail fraud and thought he knew better than the judge when Cordero decided to walk out of a Michigan courtroom right after being given his sentence. Jason Mendoza Cordero from Pontiac, northeast of Detroit, simply walked out of the Rochester Hills courtroom just before Cordero was about to be taken into custody. The bold but foolish move was caught on courtroom surveillance footage. Initially, Cordero could be seen sheepishly edging away from the courtroom dock where he had just been sentenced. Then, she walked through the public gallery and out the front door in an instant. Judge Nancy Karniak quickly realized what was happening, and then a lone court officer ran after the man. A second camera located on the courthouse's exterior was then able to fully capture Cordero running away from the court in a sprint as they ran across a nearby road and into nearby woods. Cordero was recaptured 5 to 10 minutes later in a wooded area in front of the Oakland County Sheriff's Office, Rochester Hills Substation, which is attached to the courthouse. He then was taken to the Oakland County Jail. Cordero's stunt means that he has landed himself with further charges, including escaping lawful custody and resisting and obstructing a police officer. He certainly faced more jail time when he was next before the judge. Tanner Jacobson and Cody Howard. Cody Howard was caught on camera fleeing from Lewis County District Court and pleaded guilty to second-degree escape and 2 other unrelated charges. He admitted guilt to unrelated counts of third-degree theft and first-degree trafficking in stolen property. Under a plea agreement, the theft charge was bumped down from a second-degree to a third-degree offense, and a felony count of burglary was dismissed in the trafficking case. This theft charge stems from Howard snatching a purse in March. Howard, through his attorney, maintained that he was innocent of the burglary and trafficking charges, claiming another individual got him into the situation. He went for an Alford plea, meaning he insists he's innocent, but agrees that the evidence would still result in a conviction. Both men were willing to take the guilty plea if it meant the burglary charge was dismissed.
I only get like 4 blocks and then I stop. I just stopped on my own. I'm like, what am I doing right now?
I said, what am I doing? What did I just do? I gotta go with it now. There's nothing, I can't stop right here. There's nothing I can do now. I'm screwed.
We were sitting there on the benches together and he's like, I'm gonna run. It was just a split second decision. I don't even know why I did it. I would be out of here if I wouldn't.
The escape charge started from an incident which seized international attention when Howard and an inmate, Tanner D. Jacobson of Onalaska, were caught on camera making a run from a district court hearing while still handcuffed and in jail garb. The judge gave chase, seizing Howard in the Lewis County Law and Justice Center stairwell just as he was primed to make it out an emergency exit. The video of the two running and the judge giving chase was shared far and wide. The story and video were printed, broadcasted, and was then posted by countless national and international media outlets. Now, since the incident, foot shackles have been added to Howard's wardrobe anytime he's appeared at hearings. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found today's video interesting, be sure to leave us a thumbs up And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be always up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it is uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.